All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Sunday prepositions. So away, to be, at a distance. Yeah, he is walking away from us. It is far away from me. It is far away from me. Yeah. I'm walking away. Yeah. I'm walking away from the mountain. How cool is that? They are going to be away for a while. Yeah, so he thinks he will be away for a few months. It depends on the schedule. Yeah, it depends on things. How cool is that? Yeah. So I was not away. I was right here. Not away. I was right here. She will be away with me on holiday. Yeah. It was away and has now been returned. He is away with his family and will be back soon. Yeah, she thought they were away. But no, she was wrong. Yeah, she thought they were away, but no. How cool is that? Yeah. The place is far away. Yeah, how far away? How far away is it? How far away? Not very far. No, not very far. They're planning on being away by then, so come that date, I will be away, and, well, I am not sure when I will come back. Yeah, I'll be away. Yeah. Do you think they will ever get away with it? Yeah. They had to run away when they saw the news. Yeah, they had to run away. How cool is that? Yeah. Sometimes they are away and think. So sometimes they are away, and they will slowly come back. They are going away and they're going to slowly come back. How cool is that? I went away in July, and since then I have come back. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so he is going away. Yeah. Now, can you use away in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can also find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.